Let's make turmeric latte. So first we take some ginger. Of course we can take turmeric. We will take turmeric though. But yeah, so we take cardamom and it's gone. Anyway, we have here honey and we're crushing. Don't try this at home. Do not use a plastic underneath a metal. But yeah, I just did it at my own risk. If you do it at home, please do it at your own risk. And you have your ginger, cardamom, oh, it's crushed. You have your, I did show this again. Cardamom, that was cinnamon. And this is cloves. And what else? Go on, go on. Oh my god, yes, here you are, the golden ingredient turmeric, which unfortunately or ironically is unnatural here. Anyway, these are what? Black pepper, and you pour the water, you know the deal. You add some milk, mix it up, mix, okay, and boil. Boil the milk, add your goodies, one by one, not your goodies, but the ones that I've talked about previously in whatever. Anyway, this voiceover is a really bad idea. I probably won't be keeping it. And you just keep adding everything and you just keep boil it. And there's a nice, not really, a nice view of the sky, which was obstructed by my finger in case you were wondering what that object was. And yeah, we added the turmeric too and keep boiling until the flavors, mesh in, mix in, whatever. And here you go, it's done. You strain it and drink up. It's healthy, it's tasty. I like the taste. And adjust it to your strength of liking, whatever, however strong you like. And it's done.